Yo, what's going on everybody? Gold here, back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to download OBS Studio as well as install it December 2017. If you guys are new to the channel, feel free to leave a like down below as well as subscribe. Both would be greatly appreciated. But other than that, let's get right into this video. So the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is go ahead and open up your browser and go to obsprojects.com, and once you're there, you're just going to see this green square on the bottom of the screen, and you're going to want to go ahead and click download OBS Studio, and depending on what operating system you have, just go ahead and choose the one that applies to you. In this case, I'm using Windows 10, so I'm just going to go ahead and click the Windows 7 Plus option. And so it's going to start downloading. I already have it downloaded for the sake of the video, so I'm going to go ahead and click cancel. It should end up downloading to your downloads folder. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my downloads folder. Here it is. As you can see, OBS Studio 20.1.3, depending on your version, that should be different. I'm going to go ahead and drag it to my desktop just to make it easier. And I'm just going to go ahead and minimize all my windows. And as you can see, the OBS Studio 20.1.3 full installer is right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and double click it. And click yes. If it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. And then you're going to get this pop-up right here. So welcome to OBS Studio setup. Go ahead and click next, I agree, and choose the location you want to install it. Since I already have it installed, I'm going to just go ahead and change the location to a folder on my desktop, so then that way it doesn't mess with my current installation. So I'm going to put in my OBS Studio tutorial folder and go ahead and click next. And you can choose whichever plugins you want. I recommend at least a browser source plugin, since that is default and it's very helpful for when you want to stream and stuff, so I recommend you just keep that. If you want to use a real sense source, you can as well. It's just really up to you. I'm just going to keep it as default for now and go ahead and click install. So as you can see, it's done installing. It took me like 2 minutes to install, and you should be basically good to go. And then you can just go ahead and click finish, and it should automatically launch. Give it a second, it will launch in a second, and yeah, here you go. The program is launched here. I already have it installed, so that's why all this stuff is here, but if you're doing a fresh install, it won't be here. But other than that, if you guys are new to this channel, feel free to leave a like as well as subscribe. Both once again would be appreciated, and I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.